Good morning, student. I am Dr. Rita Kumari, Department of Geology, DAV PG College, Siwan. My topic is air pollution for PG 4th semester students. Air pollution. Pollution is an inescapable consequences of presence of man and his activities. Air pollution signifies the presence in the ambient atmosphere of substance generated by activities of man in concentration that interface with human health, safety, comfort, and injurious to vegetation and animal and other environmental media. Today, air pollution has become more subtle and recognized no geographical or political boundaries. Pollutants. There are two types of pollutants, primary pollutants and secondary pollutants. Primary pollutants. Primary pollutants those who are emitted into atmosphere from a source such as factory, chimney, exhaust pipe, contaminated dust by wind. Secondary pollutants. Secondary pollutants are those who are conformed with the atmosphere itself. They arise from chemical reactions of primary pollutants. Most common example is ozone. Gaseous air pollutants. Gaseous air pollutants are those present as gases or vapor. Gaseous air pollutants are readily taken into human respiratory system and may quickly to deposited in upper respiratory tract and not penetrate to deep lungs. Particulate air pollutants. Particulate air pollutants comprises material in solid or liquid phase suspended in atmosphere. This is the figure of sources of air pollution. Now air pollutants. There are different types of air pollutants are present. Among them carbon monoxides. It is most common and widely distributed air pollutants. It is product of incomplete combustion of carbon containing materials such as automobiles, industrial, incinerator, heating facilities. Sulfur dioxide. It is colorless gas with sharp odor resulting from combustion of sulfur containing fossil fuel. It can affect respiratory system and the function of lungs and causes irritation of eyes. Lead. Exposure of lead occurs through occupational and environmental sources. Inhalation of lead particles generated during smelting, recycling, stripping lead paint using lead gasolines. It is distributed to organs such as brain, kidney, liver and bones. Carbon dioxide. It is generated by combustion process using coal, oil, gas. It is also natural constituents of air. Ozone. Ozone at ground level is one of major constituents of photochemical smog. It is formed by photochemical reaction of sunlight with pollutants such as nitrogen oxides from vehicles, industries, volatile organic compounds. Other important air pollutants are hydrocarbon, cadmium, hydrogen sulfides, polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons and particulate matter. There are some indoor air pollutants are also present in atmosphere. The major indoor air pollutants are fine particles like fuel, tobacco combustion, cleaning operation and cooking. Carbon monoxides, fuel and tobacco combustion. Sulfur dioxides from coal combustion. Lead remodeling, demolition of painted surface, biological pollutants, damp material, furnishing components of climate control. Radon, soil under building construction material and nitrous oxides from fuel combustion. What are the effect of air pollution? Effect of air pollution, number 1, health aspects. Immediate effect. Immediate effect of air pollution causes cough, mucus secretion, acute bronchitis and irritation in eyes. And delayed effect is chronic bronchitis, lung cancer, bronchial asthma, emphysema, respiratory allergies, death in severe exposure. Oxides of nitrogen. Oxides of nitrogen causes respiratory tract irritation, bronchial hyperactivities, impaired lungs defense. Hydrocarbons causes lung cancer. Ozone causes cough, discomfort, bronchitis and respiratory tract irritation. Sulfur dioxide causes asthma, COPD, respiratory tract irritation, hospitalization, death in severe exposure. Lead impaired neuropsychological development, loss of IQ, poor school performance, behavioral difficulties in children. In adult, long-term exposure causes hypertension and kidney damage. Exposure to pregnant women lead to miscarriage, stillbirth, premature baby and low birth weight. This is the picture of health aspects of air pollution. Now, social and economic aspects. Destruction of plant and animal life, corrosion of metal, damage of building, soils and clothing damages reduces visibility of the town. This is a picture of India Gate of Delhi, where visibility is not clear. Monitoring of air pollution. The best indicator of air pollution are sulfur dioxides, smoke suspended particles. Sulfur dioxide is a major contaminated in urban and industrial areas. Smoke or soiling index, grit and dust measurement, air pollution index and coefficient of haze. Prevention and control of air pollution. What are the prevention and control? Among them, contaminants. Prevention of escape of toxic substances into air by ventilation, enclosure, air cleaning. Replacement, increased use of electricity, solar power generation and natural gases. Dilution, establishment of green belt between the industrial and residential areas. Legislation, Clean Air Act, height of the chimney, creation of smokeless zone and research and education. The Air Act to decrease the nuisance of air pollution. This is a picture of air pollution can reduce by plantation, using electric vehicles, using environmental friendly vehicles, now using public transport, stop opening burning like one. Disinfection of air. The method are mechanical ventilation. Mechanical ventilation reduced vitiated air and bacterial densities. Ultraviolet radiation used in operation, threat and disease ward. Chemical mist, triethylene glycol vapor used for the air bactericides, droplet nucleic dust, etc. Dust control, application of oil to floor of hospital ward reduced bacterial content of air. And at last, this is the figure of effect of air quality after corona lockdown. The positive effect of corona lockdown is that there is a reduced in air pollution. In this figure, the visibility of mountain Everest from the Kathmandu. In the second, Dhauladhar range from the Punjab. This Dhauladhar range is 200 km from Punjab, but in corona lockdown it is easily visible. And the last figure, India Gate in the previous state and India Gate after corona lockdown. And at last, stopping pollution is the best solution. Thank you.